second. Hi, we're Anita from me. I have to show you something. If you put a comment in order for the Anita family, please like and subscribe and comment, share the Anita family. And if you subscribe for the Anita family, we give you something or card, some card. Look. If you want a card, that means you win a card. Each one of you to win the first one to subscribe the Anita family can give you a new card. This the beanie. You can get it because look, we got a melody card. If who don't get the Anita family new subscriber, if we got a lot of subscriber, we give you my collected card. Look, we have a new one. Our subscribe. Look, we have a new. We only get a lot of cards. You can subscribe to us. If you not win that subscribe, we're sorry to give. We have win. Oh, I'm sorry. We not gonna give you. If you not subscribe, you gonna ask us that you can subscribe to us. Free subscribe because you need this. Look, it's cute. Look, po. You have to see this. Look, the melody is so cute. You know what? I know you like Elsa, you character something, and this is a new one. I wish you could get this. Who the win this the beanie you won? We can give or more supervisor, and please subscribe us. Thank you guys, and please don't forget to like subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys.